Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make 2x2 pictures in Google Docs. So in here, I've already opened the Google Docs apps on my computer and I'm going to insert the picture first. Let's click on insert image, and here I'm going to just upload from the computer. Okay, I'm just use this pictures right here, and I'm going to change it into 2x2 picture. So what you need to do is first click on the image options, and let's click on the text wrapping first and choose the in front of text. And here you can just click on the size and rotation and uncheck this lock aspect ratio. Click on this blue check, and now change the width and the height into 2" and also 2", just like this. And now the image will be changed the aspect ratio into 2x2. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.